Hello and welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Grammy nominee Chronix joined a star-studded lineup of artists in support of Africa's dwindling ranges on Sunday night.
Bring everything together, so make us sing together. And who said life not hard, oh yeah. Every man got their struggle.
Chronix aligned his Caring Hands of Rastafari Foundation.
We stand with the Rangers, on the behalf of the young Rastafari community of the world, and especially on the behalf of the Core Foundation here in Jamaica. We really extend our support.
The Jamaican celebrity animal advocate was one of the selected performers, along with Dave Matthews, the Eagles guitarist Don Felder, and U.S. singer Jordan Sparks, who performed at the Endangered Ranges, a virtual fundraiser benefiting the ranges on the front lines of wildlife conservation. Now, according to organizers, ranger jobs are being cut by up to 90% due to the economic downturn in tourism, while poaching has exploded, becoming a pandemic in and of itself. And dancehall DJ Tommy Lee Sparta is currently in lockup. Reports are that the DJ and his entourage were held by members of the Special Weapons and Tactics Team SWAT Division in Kingston. The entertainer, whose given name is Leroy Russell, was taken into custody after he was reportedly found with a firearm along Holborn Road in New Kingston. Tommy Lee has been a person of interest to the police for over a period of years. He was detained back in July under the state of public emergency, and Tommy Lee Sparta was cleared of lottery scamming charges in 2018. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.